Hi guys, my name is Mithun and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust your webcam footage after the screen is recorded using Camtasia software. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to edit webcam footage that you recorded using the Camtasia recorder and modify the webcam footage separately using Camtasia Studio Editor. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To be honest with you, I actually use PepoCloud to record my screen instead of Camtasia because PepoCloud actually lets you do all of that without opening a different software like Camtasia Studio Editor. On top of that, PepoCloud also helps you record your screen and web camera at the same time. So it actually solves a lot of problem and is also much more affordable than Camtasia. So check out PepoCloud if you are in need for a web application that would solve all of these problems. On my screen, you can see that I just opened up a random website. Uh, and I'm not going to show you how to record your screen and enable the webcam because my webcam is currently being used by OBS. But if you need a tutorial, I'll quickly show you how you can do that. Just head over to the Camtasia recorder and open it up. It will show you, and it is showing me an error because I don't have the webcam available at the moment because my other recording software is actually using it. If you have the webcam available, you can select that from this drop down menu. As you can see, my screen is already being captured. If you have the webcam available, you can select the webcam here and it will show you a small snippet of your webcam footage here. Enable the microphone and the system audio and then click on the record button to start recording. And you have to make sure that each recording is a bit longer, at least 10 to 15 seconds longer, because otherwise you won't be able to practice this trick. Once the recording is completed, head over to the Camtasia editor and uh, get started with this tutorial. So as you can see, the in the screen recordings area in the media bin, Camtasia has loaded my previous screen recording, which has the webcam footage and a green screen behind it. So I can actually show you how you can play around with this clip and make it look really professional without actually learning video editing or any type of like professional level color grading or green screen removal. In order to edit this webcam footage, you have to drag this webcam footage to the clip bin. And now these two clips have been added to the timeline. As you can see in the clip bin, you will see that track 1 is actually the recording of the screen. Track 2 is the recording of the camera, which means that these two clips are entirely independent and you can edit them independently without actually affecting the other one. Now, what I want to do with this particular clip here is to actually customize the webcam capture so that it looks a bit professional and presentable. I'm creating the small snippet for a particular client who wants to download a bunch of stock images from Pexels but couldn't get the right method to do that. So I was going to create this tutorial for him. Anyway, I'm going to use it to demonstrate how the webcam footage works and how you can add effects to this particular footage. As you can see, as soon as I click on this particular snippet over here, which shows my webcam, there are borders and there are pinpoints that appear in the particular edge of the footage. I can actually scale it up or scale it down depending on the need. I'm just going to scale it up a bit because we have to crop out these unnecessary areas, which shows just a black thick border, which is not needed in this context. And I also have to remove the green screen. So what I want to do is I want to actually resize it and make sure that when I crop it down, it doesn't actually look really small. So after selecting this particular click, first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this crop tool that is available in this tools area at the top of the studio software. Just click on this crop tool. You can also use hold the alt key to enable the crop feature. And now I'm gonna just drag this point to the place where the green screen starts. And you know what, let me drag it here, otherwise it will stick to the border. All right, so I think that's pretty much it, and I'm gonna click on the enter button on my keyboard. The recording will be trimmed, and there will be no thick black border on the screen. After this, now the second option that I have is to remove the green screen. In order to remove the green screen, I have to go to the video effects or visual effects panel in the Camtasia Studio software, where you will see a lot of like visual effects available right now. I'm gonna select the remove a green screen, remove a color option. This is actually remove a green screen option. In short, you can actually remove the background color of your recording if it is in green or any specific color. So I'm gonna drag this particular effect and drop it onto the video file of my webcam footage. As soon as I drop it on the timeline of the webcam footage, you will see that there is an option appearing in the properties panel which says remove a color. Now, by default, it actually selects the green color, but in many cases, it won't actually remove the color of your green screen automatically. In order to remove it, you will have to click on this pen dropper tool or eyedropper tool and click on it and select the color manually. As soon as you select the color, it will remove the background, and you will see that it looks perfect. You don't need to do anything, quite honestly. If by chance there is any green border appearing on the subject of the webcam footage, you can use the tolerance, softness, hue, and defringe settings to actually take care of that. Let's say that you want to actually capture the green screen and hide the subject. You can invert this option, and everything other than the subject will be recorded. I don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna uncheck this option, and that's pretty much how you can actually play around with the webcam footage separately on Camtasia. I think for a software that's meant for screen recording editing, this particular feature is advanced, and anybody who has a need to edit videos and capture webcam and edit the webcam as well can make use of this particular feature wonderfully. In my future tutorials, I'm also going to show you how you can do that with OBS. Unfortunately, while you are doing this with OBS, you won't be able to actually edit the webcam footage separately, but there are a few workarounds that would help you deal with that. So that was my tutorial for this particular webcam editing and setup and scaling tutorial. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any doubts. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next tutorial. Till then, take care and bye bye.